Well, hey there, folks. This is Dub here, and we're back with the July 2019 Cairn box, or kind of envelope in this case. But regardless, we'll get her open. Let's see here. The quote on the front, if you can read that, says, "There's no such thing as the great indoors." All right, I agree with that. However, during bad weather, I mean, I might make an argument another direction. Anyways, whoop. Get the knife in there. There we go. Little cut going. All right. Get that put away. This whole thing opened up here. See if we can grab the paper. Oh, and we got it right on top. Nice. All right. So this is the Cairn Scout. It kind of lays out a little information there about the products and so on and so forth. The box itself. So if you want to take a look at that, go ahead. Or subscribe, or hit me up. That one's yours. I kind of skip that. I just kind of get into it, and let's see here. Something quite soft. I want to know what this is. What is this? This is the Travel Light Towel. Nomadic's ultralight performance material is great for the beach, travel, swimming, camping, and backpacking. This space-saving, quick dry, super absorbent towel has you covered. So there we go. Always bring a towel. So it looks like it's about 54 by 30 inches. It weighs 8 ounces. It's got a pack size of 6 by 2.5, sandproof. That's interesting. It is very much a soft material. It's not super, deep as far as any kind of pattern goes there. Absorbency is 4:1. Water weight, it says. Dry time is 4x. That's some stuff I've never really heard about as far as the towel goes. That's very scientific. Awesome. The material itself is 80% recycled polyester, 20% nylon. And Nomadics Co. is the company. So, anyways, tell you what. Oh, it shows what the design is right here. So I can open it up, but that one kind of shows you a little mountainscape with some trees. I dig it. All right. Cool. Moving along. Also made for some nice padding, so there didn't need to be much in here. All right, so this is the Eco Vessel food grade silicone tip straw set. Stainless steel straws with cleaning brush. Excuse me. Reusable, sustainable, dishwasher safe. 100-year warranty. So let's just pop this open here real quick if we can, and just grab. Okay, red's my favorite color, so grab one out real quick. So it looks just like a straw. It's got a little silicone tip there that I'm sure you can clean. It's removable. Yep, you can pull it off. Slap right back on. And so that is an awesome little straw. If you were to want to, I guess, get water from hard places or just use it for a beverage. And then as they advertised, let's see here. If I can get this a little bit open. That one's kind of a tight one, but hey, we made it work. Here we go. Oh, none of those. We'll hold those. Let's see if that one will come out. And then there's also a little cleaning brush for it. So you can keep those sanitary, which is a big, big deal. So cool. They've got 4 of those. They're in the yellow, blue, purple, and red coloring. Again, that is Eco Vessel. And those are food grade silicone tip. Dishwasher safe. All right, we said that already. Anything else? All right, last but not least, let's see what we got here. It's the All Good tinted sunscreen butter, SPF 50. So water resistant for 80 minutes and reef friendly. Didn't know that was a qualification, but cool. It's sounds good. Broad spectrum protection. This is a 1 ounce little jar. It's gluten free. I'm not recommending eating it, but hey, there is that. So all right, to recap, we're going with the All Good tinted sunscreen butter. So the sunscreen of the towel, makes some good sense there. It's summertime, that kind of thing. And then I guess maybe if you've got a tasty drink you could have along with that on the beach, you got a straw to go with it. So, all right, folks, this is Dub signing off on this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Like, subscribe if you want to. Catch you on the next one.